This is Nikki. Nikki is a digital freelancer. He creates websites, writes blog posts, and edits visuals. When Nikki first became a freelancer, he discovered that without solid connections, it's hard to land solid gigs. But then one day, Nikki heard about Allset. He downloaded the app to check it out, and it changed his freelancing career forever. Now, Nikki wants to help you increase and improve your connections. Luckily, Allset has just the event to help you out. Dr. Chaz Austin, author and guru when it comes to navigating the job market, is hosting an entirely free interactive workshop on how to self-market in the gig economy. The workshop will be held on March 25th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in Plummer Park. You can screenshot that information, or to read more and RSVP, check out LA Gigglers and Freelancers on the Meetup app. If you're looking to increase your connections and improve your skills in this competitive job market, then this is an event that you aren't going to want to miss. So don't be like Nikki before Allset, be like Nikki now. Download the app and come get connected at the Allset Social. See you then.